What's up, everybody? Dragon Boost Gaming here. Another episode of College Football 27. We have started our season 2. We went way down in rating, but I didn't lose anywhere near as many players as I did in the Old Dominion one. And I feel like we actually got better as an overall, or as a starting team, we got better. And the reason we came down so much is because I signed like 21-star recruits and they're all in the 50s. So that is definitely a reason there. Oh yeah, I need to take that off. We need to go over recruiting here. So this is my guy. Halfback's my guy. Do we have anything unlocked? Damn. I don't know what his last one is, but we're going to keep it up there. Receiver, this is my one guy. I mean, an A plus versus an A minus. Alright, well let's do it. Going playing time. Okay. I don't know where it is, but this is where I think we're gonna find it. Auto progress is off. I don't see it. Pretty sure. Nah, it'd be in Dynasty. I'm pretty sure I put it all the way down. Wish it would show it. Oh, here it is. Manual progression speed penalty. Yeah, no, we're not penalizing for people. Yeah, get up out of here, son. Alright, time to play old Merlin.
Kid Brewer Stadium in beautiful Boone, North Carolina. After a full day of college football, the sun is down, the lights are on, and we still have more for you on EA Sports. It's the Maryland Terrapins and the Appalachian State Mountaineers. We stay along. Jesse Palmer with you. Holly Rose down on the sidelines. We check in with her now.
Kid Brewer Stadium at App State is one of the most exciting stadiums in the country. 30,000 strong. The Rock gets rocking.
Rambo, we know, buddy.
East end of the Mississippi. It opened in 1962.
My good
It's
boy.
$50 million expansion in 2020. The Rock, it's loud. That's why App State is so tough at home. Back to you guys.
Okay, Holly. Bringing it out. Not nearly as much as he'd hoped when he brought it out of the end zone. He'll be stopped at the 15.
All right, so they got a good tight end. He is pretty good.
And here's the big fella, senior tight end. They'll try to feed him today. And what a luxury it is to have a weapon like this at tight end. He is a big play that can happen at any moment.
There's a lot of great attributes about a tight end, like the size, the physicality. This guy, though, what sticks out the most is the speed. If you want to play him man-to-man, put a line.
That was a weak catch.
That's the problem. You put a
Where you going, Milo?
He's still got good enough speed and size to go win. Palmer, this guy, they put him everywhere, and he wins because of that blazing speed.
It's really crazy to think about that he might actually be their fastest. If you had everybody lined up at receiver, tight end, just running vertical routes, he might actually be the fastest. We've even seen him on film run away from quarterbacks as well in man coverage. Nobody can seem to catch up with this guy. A very...
He tries to take the top off.
Oh! What a play.
When the defense came into this game, guys, knowing that they were going to be tested with the offense throwing it vertically down the field. You saw it right there on the opening drive. They were ready for it. Great job locating the ball and getting the INT.
Leaves it with the back. Tying it up. Good pick up there as he gets the first down, and they'll mark him at the 48.
I'll tell you what, a few more runs like that, and defensively you start thinking more guys in the box, more big guys. I better stop this guy because he's unbelievable. Just great job breaking off the big run. And the OC is going to give him the ball some more.
And this defense
Too much juke in there, boys.
his way and got down to the 26.
Oh, yeah. We need to go options. Passing. No, we're going revamped. Yes.
After exploding for that huge run, back to work. Looking to throw on first down. Moving out to the right. He'll try to do it himself. He'll go out of bounds, and he steps out right at the 8-yard line, and this offense is in business. They use those back-to-back explosives to set him up first and goal. From the red zone, it's Lewis. He's brought down at the 6 with the defense feeling the heat to make a stop here.
And I'm good with it. I like what the offense is doing. Be physical. I don't need to get pass happy down here on first and goal. Nice job believing in my running game, and maybe I stick to it for another play.
He pushes it forward.
Damn it, Bobby.
2-yard line.
And this defense sold out for the run. I love it. Physical, downhill, second and goal. Nice job getting the stop, forcing the third down.
They want to dance their way in on third and goal. Taken down
Couldn't even
close
jump.
to the sticks, but the offense still within scoring range on fourth down.
Third and goal, the offense still trying to run the football here. And how about the individual effort up front by this defender? Getting penetration, now setting up fourth down.
Fourth and goal from the 2. Can they finish this drive? The snap sets up the throw.
Nice catch.
Appalachian State will have a short pass to put
close to the goal line. 4th and goal. They're going to power it in. Nice job. They had this play ready. They go with the pass. Nice throw. Nice catch. Huge job and huge execution on 4th down.
Returner will field it and try to set up his offense in great field position. He was looking for more running room, but none to be found as he stopped at the 23. The Terrapins will get things going on offense as they come onto the field. Finding themselves down 7-0. They'll want to get a drive going here. Makes the grab down.
Nice defense.
His way to the corner.
Man, that linebacker is athletic. He can make tackles in space against very athletic dudes. That receiver's not an easy guy to bring down. That linebacker got him down quick.
And you want to know what impact home field advantage can have? There it is.
Nice.
Walk it back.
Big Milo.
The officials offer the deal, and the coach accepts it. They will take the penalty. And now the offense will back it up 5 and try it on 2nd and long. Jones to throw. Gonna
Wow.
take a shot at this DB. And they wanted it all, and they didn't complete pass. Instead, they're looking at 3rd down.
They just have not been able to get this guy going. They throw it to him over and over again here in the first quarter. And QB and him just not able to link up. The defense knew that was where this guy was going to be looking, but these two, they've got to find a way to get on the same page.
Got him. What? I don't know. I'm just. What is that like person that pops up on there?
You can go nickel, put 5 DBs on the field and not have to blitz anyone, trusting your front 4 to get the job done on 3rd down, and they do it right there, getting the sack.
So from the shadow of his goalpost, he gets the punt away. Fields the punt and looking for daylight.
That was actually a decent return.
Nifty return on that one.
Sorry guys, I gotta
Appalachian State comes out on
take
the
my
field
pills
again
before I
before
forget.
starting.
Always forget to take daily pills.
With his 7-0 lead.
Oh shit, I ain't got time. Shit, son.
Couldn't ask for better starting field position for this offense. Hand off to the fullback. And just wedges it ahead a bit before he's brought down. I wonder how much fun this is for him. The head coach trying to take down the old alma mater across the way.
Yeah, I think these are always mixed emotions and how you feel about this, playing your old squad. Like, it's something about it, I'm sure, that's nostalgic and all the memories.
Who's playing their old squad?
But there's also a competitive element, Palmer, that you want to beat this squad. Like, this is the next team in your way for you accomplishing your goals and dreams.
Yeah, he's probably experiencing the emotional spectrum coming into this game, but make no mistake about it.
Didn't
he has to
really mean to do that, but okay.
from his past allegiances and understand he's the home team. He wants this crowd to get in this football game. You know he just gave a rousing speech to his guys in the locker room before taking the field. He wants to win this game versus his alma mater.
He might want another play. Wants to throw on 3rd down.
Damn it, Baba.
Down by the defense to stop the scoring opportunity.
That's some pretty sticky coverage right there, man. You play that man-to-man coverage and you have those out-breaking routes. I tell you what, you got to kind of be careful as a QB.
Touchdown. Hey. Get him, Rainbow. What happened, buddy?
Man, this offense has started the season off so good. 1-0 a week ago, right? Now building on it again. Great job putting points on the board. It's still the first half, but this unit looks dialed in.
And the extra point makes it 14-0. Quick work on that scoring drive, just 4 plays. And he closed the deal by scooting 31 yards for the score. Just into the end zone, and he'll bring it out. Not nearly as much as he'd hoped when he brought it out of the end zone. He'll be stopped at the 15. Here comes the Maryland offense back onto the field. They've gotten off to a sluggish start and need to put something together on this drive. Nowhere to go.
Okay.
That'll bring up 2nd and 10.
come on. Yeah, okay.
Makes his way to the 17, but not enough for the first down. And the
Why you side eye
Terrapins
me,
will kick
Rainbow?
this one away. And
What'd I
this
do,
drive
buddy?
basically flipped the field. They'd like to do it again. Fields the punt and tries to find an opening. Very little will make a crowd hold its breath like a punt return, and he brought them to their feet on that one. They'll try the run. They didn't
Great
get a
block
push
there.
at all on that one. It'll be no gain on the play.
Great block there,
That back
buddy.
had nowhere to go. Defensive line ate up the blocks, but how about the linebacker
Oh,
swarming in, coming in and making a great play on the ball carrier?
They got nothing on the last play. It's 2nd and 10. Looking to fire. Finds his man. It's Stone. Breaks it with the open.
I was actually lost for a minute, guys. I thought it was picked.
I think this receiver's forte is his route running. He's a guy that can line up all over the field, but it's not just catching post routes.
I honestly thought that was like
He
picked.
can run slants. He can run the option routes and find soft spots in the defense. This guy really has all the route.
Snags it, and there's running room.
Okay, I like this guy. Number 5. Oh, Stone. I'm liking Stone.
And the Mountaineers have it with a 1st and 10. Trying to run. It's Lewis.
Oh my God.
He's brought down at the 6, but the defense
That
able
was
to
some
keep
bullshit.
the stop here. Going to work in the red zone.
Milo, come on, get up here, dude.
1st down without getting it into the end zone. They'll keep it on the ground. And he breaks the play. Touchdown, Mountaineers.
This guy just has a nose for the end zone. You love his ability to find creases, use his speed in the open field, and go score. He's been really good for his offense early this year. That already his 5th rushing touchdown on the season.
Let's see if he can make a play on the return. He was looking for some running room, but not much to be found as he stopped at the 18. They'll start this drive from the 18-yard line. Pulls it, fired complete. And they pick up just a few.
So I briefly played with Maryland in some training to see about what I wanted the passing to be, guys. And they've got a weird-ass playbook. Like, I don't know what they're doing. No wonder they suck. Like, I'm not even being stupid. They, like, come on.
It's Howard. And he is going to be forced out of bounds behind the line of scrimmage. Tremendous defense there. This defense has kept them backed up. Now one more stop and they can get off the field on 3rd and long. Jones to throw. He's able to get it out to the 25, but needed a little bit more to move the chains. It'll be 4th down. The Terrapins send out the punt unit. Takes it on the return. Bottled him up. Not a whole lot of room to run on that return, and that's how this period will come to an end. We've reached
I'm getting a little more ballsy in this season, guys, and throwing the ball more for sure.
Look at our game stats. They've got a 1st down here to open the period. Trying play action. Swings it out to the flat. They'll give him 4 on the pickup at 2nd and 6. Guys, let's chat about App State. Good pickup on the recruiting trail last week. 3-star offensive lineman gives them a verbal, and this is the type of talent they need to get into the program and then develop.
Yeah, and this really was more of an emotional decision, I think, for him as well. He's been a fan of this program ever since he was a young boy, and now he's getting a chance to live out his dreams. As a 3-star, he had opportunities to go elsewhere, to play in better conferences against better competition, but this for him felt like home. And now he has a chance to go out and live that dream.
Wow. Wow. Okay.
Didn't really have room to operate on the return, but he hands him the ball at the 32. This offense has it with really good field position. Running inside, it's Howard.
Oh, great.
It's now 2nd and 2. And the Terrapins can really attack on this 2nd and short. Back to pass. Got it. He hauled that one in and got it down to the 15-yard line. The Terrapins racing to the line in the hurry-up. Jones wants to throw it.
Wide open. Wide open. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Defense is backed up. Shadow of the goalpost trying to defend their own end zone. He is denied, and it'll be 2nd and goal. DB's locked up tight on the receiver. They go right back to their man on 2nd and goal.
I don't know what the fuck 16 was doing.
This time he finds Water, gets it into the end zone for the touchdown. It's a much-needed line from this offense as they try to cut away at this lead.
No doubt. Needed something to go right. If you're down, you got to make plays. You got to get your team back in it. Great start. Chip away.
On the move from inside his 5. Tackled and brought down at the 16-yard line after the return. Mountaineers offense coming onto the field. Last drive ended with a pick, but you still have to attack through the air. Looking for space. It's Lewis. There we go. That's a nice pickup to give them some breathing room, and they've got it out to the 27.
There's really no secret to it, David. When this guy's running well, this offense is so hard to stop.
It opens up everything, and he's having a great day, showing you a little bit of everything, and this offense has got it rolling on the ground.
And it's incomplete. If you're going to take a hit like that,
Oh my God, here we fucking go, guys.
By the defender, and great timing. It was the hit that forced that incompletion.
Here we fucking go.
keeps it on the bootleg. Looking to buy time. Firing to the right, complete. They'll wrestle him down just short of the first down. I don't even think they're going to bring out the chains to measure this one. The Mountaineers lining up, just needing a few tough inches on 3rd down. They'll stick to the ground, looking for the mark. Hauled down, and they'll move the sticks as he picks up the first down.
Well, when you've had the day that this guy's had so far, why not hand it off to him on 3rd down, right? At this point, you're almost basically expecting him to find a way to pick it up, and he does exactly that. This guy has been a monster all game.
Yes, he has. Little bubbers.
Exploding through it. He has had a heck of a night. With that carry, over 100 yards on the game. That's the mark you really want to hit as a running back.
Wow.
They bring him down, but not before he's able to pick up the first down.
Well, the running back did a nice job there, keeping his feet moving. He was able to drag some defenders with him to get that first down.
And the Mountaineers have it with a 1st and 10. They'll run play action. Dances away to buy time.
Nobody's open.
Gets rid of the football.
Not a fucking person was open on that one.
And that goes down as incompletion, but that's a smart play. And the QB coach and the OC will be very happy with the decision of the quarterback. He got outside the pocket. He obviously, so he's outside the tackle box. There's a move to throw it away as long as he got it past the line of scrimmage. Nothing there, nothing open. Live to fight another down.
Really nice job responding by the offense here. They watched the opponent go down
Bitch.
touchdown on that last drive, and you could see the
Bitch,
in
bitch.
the commercial break. He's telling his guys, "Let's go. We're going to go get this one. Everybody lock in." And that's what you're seeing on this drive. Doing a really, really nice job. They look confident. They're trying to score a touchdown themselves.
Fires to the tight end. And the defense had that one well covered, just a short gain there.
I like the idea by the quarterback there. You're trying to get this first down, so you find the tight end, see if he can make a guy miss or shake a tackle. Not able to get it done.
Takes the handoff. It's Lewis. Finding some room. Defense comes up.
I didn't try to spin.
The chains and takes it inside the 10 to the 8. The
But-
Mountaineers are threatening on 1st and goal. They'll run it in the red zone. It's Lewis. He'll be brought down at the 5-yard line, and this defense is on its heels.
1st down and goal. I bet you the percentages are really high for run, and this defense offense was ready for. They got to match the physicality right here, right now in this situation.
Picked up some of what they needed.
Yeah.
Now it's 2nd and goal from the 5. Looking to fire. Rolling to the right, trying to make something happen.
Nice play.
Quick strike from the air for the score.
What a fantastic route that time. If you're gonna
At
be
least he
able to
kept
get
running.
down in
Like,
this area,
that's all I needed.
windows close so quickly, you have got to be precise with the route running, and that's what happened right there. That's an easy connection between the QB and his target for the score.
They'll try to add another to their lead. And they knock through the extra point, and they're up 28-7. They put it in the end zone with a 12-play scoring drive. And the score comes on a 5-yard touchdown pass. From a couple of yards deep, he'll bring it out. Didn't find any crease in that kickoff coverage, and he'll be stopped at the 17.
All right.
Let's see if they can get something going here late in the half. Off the play fake on 1st down, wants to throw. He's got his man across the middle. Caught, and he's close to a 1st down on the nice pickup there. And that last completion left him with 2nd and 1. And this is a fun moment for an offensive coordinator. Jones to throw. He's got him. And he'll move his way forward to the 1st down. They'll mark it at the 35.
There's got to be a sense of urgency for this offense right now. They're trailing. They're going to be kicking off to open the 2nd half. So they need points. They need to go tempo. Maybe that last
Oh, that was a nice move. Fuck you, running back. Little skid skirt.
this offensive coordinator has to be scratching his head because he's trying
Made that running back look like he needs to go back home and study the playbook.
keeping tight ends and running backs in, chipping, going empty, and getting the ball out quickly, but it's not working. They're just losing.
Oh, just right by him.
And in the 2nd half, looking forward, I don't know if they're going to be able to fix it.
And the Terrapins with a long way.
What's up, Jackie? Where'd you come from, buddy? Huh? Finds that come in. It's nice out there, isn't it? Good boy. Sorry, guys. Had to give old Jackie some love.
It's complete. Knocked down immediately, but a nice pickup on that one.
This quarterback right now is an improvement. He's doing a nice job pricing. He's reading the coverage, and he's getting an idea of where he wants to go with the football. That's why the ball's coming out of his hands so quickly. That's why he seems like he's
Ooh, wide open. Wide open. I just don't understand it.
Saving tackle as they get him down at the 37.
Man, it's players over plays, isn't it? Like, find your guys, find your matchups. They keep finding him on this drive, and he keeps delivering. That's a really good job by the play caller. Don't try to get tricky. Don't try to outsmart yourself. Your guy is better than his guy.
The offense just has not been able to find a way to get their rhythm going here in the 1st half. We just haven't seen it in the passing game. That was a really good example of it again. If they're going to score more points in the 2nd half, they've got to make some adjustments here at halftime.
Runs it all the way down, almost to the 10. They'll mark him out of bounds at the 12. Jones wants to throw it. Quickly complete. And they're able to force him out of bounds after a short pickup.
Yeah, when you get that man coverage, most people are taught to have inside leverage. So that out route's there if your QB can put some air on it and throw it outside of the guy. But tight coverage, but a really nice throw on that out route.
Here's a heat.
Wow. Just wow.
And they take it in for 6 more points.
And he finds the end zone again. I tell you what, man, this guy's going to be a force. You look at this offense, they find different ways to get him the football, different ways to use him. 3 times now he's entered the end zone, and not even 2 full games yet. This dude's a playmaker.
Here he comes from inside his own 5. He gets across the 20 and out to the 21-yard line before he's stopped right there. Let's check in with Holly Rowe.
Guys, down on the Appalachian sideline, this has turned into a ground attack. Both teams able to run the ball, but they want to answer right now, see if they can continue to get some momentum. But keep in mind, they also want that passing attack to come
like pass, he pulls it down, and he's gone. Just like that, chewing up yards, so much speed, so hard to stop.
Lost a throw on first down. And this will be incomplete. A big hit.
That
there
should have
for
been
the
called.
second down.
The big tight end tries to make a catch, and you could tell extends for the ball, but great job by the defender getting in there, making the hit, dislodging the football out at the same time as he's going to catch it, and the big tight end couldn't hold on to it.
Gonna try to get it himself.
Oh my God, that was a fucking first down.
Maybe needed a few more chain links to move the sticks. Now the offense wants to make sure everything's straightened out, and they call their first timeout. They'll have 2 left to work with before the half. Looking to throw for it. Working that left side now. They convert on third down as he gets it to the 46-yard line. Third and short, and I guess the only thing they really took out of play in the shotgun was the quarterback sneak.
Yeah, and that's kind of what I like to do, Reese. I mean, 3rd and inches, I want to run the quarterback sneak, run the football, but this team...
Come on, you fucking piece of shit. Non-catching motherfuckers, dude. Catch the fucking ball.
Second and 10, he full wide out set, trips right. Back to throw, time running short in the half. Grab over the middle, like Stones. He's down at the 23-yard line. It's a first down, and they've got to show this urgency. The Mountaineers call a timeout. That's their second. And they'll still have one in their pocket for what's left in this first half.
Oh, that was bad.
On target over the middle. They'll spot
I thought that was going to be picked.
after that completion. They'll use a timeout right before halftime.
Probably should have been, honestly, but...
And man, you love to see that from this offense, coming out and answering, right? Like putting a drive together. Their defense just gave up a touchdown, but you want to snatch the momentum back. Nice job putting a little bit of a drive together. Now let's go cap this thing off with a touchdown.
Running out of time here in the first half. They're going to have to be efficient to put some points on the board before the break. Wants to go right back downfield. And he can't find his man in the end zone as he was trying to pay off this red zone chance.
And he misses. How about that, man? Like, it seems like everything he's thrown so far
God
has
damn it.
worked, especially down here. He's already got 2 touchdown passes against this defense. So, guys, I'm kind of surprised when he misses down here.
I can't do anything here.
Second down, he'll throw it. And he just threw that one away. Safe move, didn't see anything, lived to play another play. Waning seconds of the first half, and they'll try to tack on a 3 before they head to the locker room. Never a doubt. They'll trot off to the locker room after the field goal to close the half. And we are headed to halftime. Both squads headed into the locker room to make some adjustments. Gives us an opportunity to check in with Kevin Connors in our EA Sports College Football Studio update. And he takes this from inside the 5. Not a lot of
Bam.
space to be found. Good hustle by the coverage team, and they stop
We can
it
start
up.
running the clock a little bit here.
Ollie, what did you find out coming from the locker room?
They caught up with the Mountaineers head coach. He says this all the time, but the team that holds on to the football and rushes the best usually wins the game, and that's what this team has done in the first half. The running back has been terrific. Great ball security and offense now taking the field. They expect to continue that dominant run game here on offense to start the third. Back to you.
Okay, Holly. They'll ride the hot hand, continuing to turn and move it forward.
Oh, yeah.
On midfield, it's down at the 48. That kind of pickup on first down, and you can take a shot here on second and short. Takes the handoff. It's Lewis. There's a little room there. Oh, what a cut.
Oh! Rambo! Running people over, dude.
For the season in this game, 3 of his 6 have come in this one.
David, this guy's showing us everything he's got in his toolbox. Between the tackles, running outside, the elusiveness, the vision, the speed, the patience, and with that home run, now has over 200 yards rushing in this game.
And there's nothing more frustrating frustrating than a guy that just keeps coming and keeps coming. They keep feeding him, and he keeps breaking tackles. He keeps making big plays. This defense has had absolutely no answer for that stuff.
Just able to get out to the 18-yard line on the return before he stopped. Maryland has the ball back in the Terrapin offense ready to go. They face a pretty tall mountain here, Jesse, down 24, but if they're going to climb it, this is a good time to start.
Sense of urgency's got to be big right here. You just get the feeling at
Wow.
this point in the game, David, they've got to
Two of us had a pass rush on him. But he just sidestepped it through to a wide open guy.
Super aggressive. Down 24.
God damn it.
Touchdowns, 3 two-point conversions, everything to kind of go your way. So fast and throwing the football.
Wants to throw on first down off the play fake. On a little time, lets it go. Makes the grab. It's Durr. They'll get him down, but not before he crosses the 50. He's down to the 49. They are dialed in on this drive. A couple of chunk plays, and now they'll snap it on first down. Move. Unloads quickly. And good coverage by the defense, just a short gain. They got 3 on the last pass. Here comes 2nd and 7. Jones to throw.
Oh my God.
And he strides his way into the end zone. Touchdown, Maryland! Oh, the offense shows some life here and cuts into the...
I gotta. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
That score.
They needed it. They had to have something to go right. Listen, still down, but this is a great start to getting back in this ball game.
From the gun. Almost had the completion. Just missed it.
Oh my goodness. Come on, phone. What are we doing?
On the run from inside his own 5. Nice job executing all of the assignments as they put a stop to that return at the 22. Appalachian State regains possession and the Mountaineer offense headed to the field. Using his legs, it's Lewis. Got enough for the first. And they don't drag him down. All the way to the 46.
Damn.
How nice is it in an offense when you can generate explosive plays by running the football? You got to force feed this guy, man. He is an absolute game changer.
You get a play like that and you feel like you can go in and finish the deal. It'll be 1st and 10 from just inside the 50. On the run deep down the right side.
Wow, he caught it.
They make the tackle, but he's got a
It does fuck your ratings up when you're like running. Like if that could have been a really nice deep throw, but
Just look at your play sheet and pick a play because you know it's going to work. Big play before, now you got another big one lining you up here 1st and goal.
that's a nice throw. I mean, it was a nice catch. Not a nice throw.
now the chance to pay off that big play from just outside the 5. They'll run it. It's Lewis. Relentless, tough running gets it down to the 4.
Oh boy.
Play is stopped for just a second as they tend to the injured Mountaineer. They've pushed it ahead to the 4. They'll try to cash in on 2nd and goal. Tries again to get it in.
That was my dumbass fault.
Room at all, and he barely makes it back to the line of scrimmage. It's 3rd and goal.
Well, he's had the hot hand. 3 TDs in the game already. I like just force-feeding this guy the rock some more here, Paul.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. They've been the more physical team. He does a really good job finding the end zone, running the football. That's why they featured him today.
They keep pushing forward down to the 3, but now it's 3rd and goal. He wants to throw it.
Oh my God.
Another good touchdown drive by this offense. And how about the start to the season? Blowout win in game 1. Blowout win looking like in game 2. This unit's clicking. They're looking like a team that will be reckoned with when the playoffs start late in the year.
He'll start the return inside his 5. Really disciplined job by the coverage unit to get down there and make the stop at the 19. Maryland's offense comes out ready to go on the attack. They haven't had a whole lot of production nor much to show for it on the scoreboard so far, and if they're going to get back in this game, it needs to start right now.
You run the slant route day 1, and this is something that the quarterback and the wide receiver has done 100 million times out there on the field in the offseason. I see man-to-man coverage. I know I can run the slant. Stick my foot in the ground, throw in completion to my wide receiver.
Not much doing there. He gets it to the 26, a gain of 1. Now looking for that first down on 3rd and short from the 26. Jones wants to throw it. Got it set up on the outside. And the screen.
Punk-ass little bitch.
They stop him for no gain on the play. The Terrapins line up to punt it away. 4th time tonight we've seen this guy come on to punt. Catch is made at the 15. They'll get down and put a stop to the return at about the 28-yard line. Let's go down to the sideline and Holly Rowe.
Guys, I'm here on the Mountaineers sideline. There is so much enthusiasm on the sideline right now. This running back has been brilliant today. Over 200 yards rushing, and he continues to run strong. The coaches told us he gets stronger as the game goes on. We'll see how much longer they keep him out there. It's a big lead. He has been brilliant so far today. Back to you.
We'll keep an eye on that, Holly. Defense right there to stop him in his tracks, and they get nothing on that play. Didn't get much done on that first play of the drive. It's 2nd and 11. They feed him again. And they'll stop him after a minimal pickup.
Well, alrighty then.
First down, 2nd down, 2 straight runs. They stuff both, and that was a big key for them coming into this game. They want to set up 3rd and long situations, and now those edge rushers can pin their ears back to get after the quarterback. They can mix up and disguise their coverages on the back end, hoping to create negative plays and takeaways.
Oh, that was nice.
And now movement change with the first down.
That was nice.
Guys, it's Appalachian State holding the lead at the end of the quarter. A quick pause here to look at the numbers as they are threatening to pull away in this game. They'll go for the first down in the final period. Give to the running back. There's a crease. They'll finally get him on the ground, but not before he makes it to the 30 and gets a first down.
This offense has really done a nice job on the ground. Like, the ground game has been solid, man. Nice job opening holes, running the football. They've been consistent with the run. And as this game...
Always got some space. Big pickup on the ground here to keep this drive moving and give them a first down. And the Mountaineers pounded the rock to move the sticks now back to work. Going to the run, it's Baldwin. Got some room, headed to the goal line. And he's in. Found his way into the score. Touchdown, Appalachian State.
Well, I know it's early this season, but it's obvious already. This guy is a major weapon in this offense. Had 2 touchdowns in his first game. He's now on the board right now. What a difference maker and a playmaker he's going to be this season for this offense.
Looks as if the returner will try and field this one. And the coverage team able to wrestle him down. The Terrapins will get things going on offense as they come onto the field. A rather unproductive series last time, 3 and out, and they'll try to do better this time around. And a good job of coverage by them.
Well, alrighty then.
For a wide receiver screen to work, you've got to have better blocking out in front by other receivers, and they're just not physical enough at the point on that last play.
Black 14! Black 14! Jones to throw. Throws it out in space.
Ooh.
Crosses the 30. Works his way to the 41, and that is plenty to give him a first down. They've done a really good job identifying mismatches, and they find one out of the backfield there.
Reese, I really don't think it's that hard. My guy is better than yours. Find the matchup across the field. Running back's got some speed. Get it in his hands quickly. Throw it to him fast. Let him make somebody miss against a slower guy that's usually alone.
So now it's second and long. They just keep firing. Incomplete. He had to get rid of it before he wanted to. The defense put the heat on. Ball is at the 41 as this defense tries to force the punt on 3rd and long. From the gun, wants to pass.
Wow. That's what you get, bitch. Fucking knock me down again like that. See what happens.
Not sure where to put the ball.
Wait just a minute, guys. The offense looks as if they're going for it in their own end. On 4th down, going to the air. Shoots it to the left. Makes the
And of course, they got to get it.
He's got enough, and they roll the dice on 4th down, and they keep the drive alive. And the Terrapins are rolling down the field. Looking downfield on 1st down. Under fire.
Boom, motherfucker.
He just got rid of the football. They're dealing with a 2nd and long. They'll move the wide receiver. Makes the grab. Snowed under by the defense.
Screen pass just not working there. You figure at this point of the game, trailing, you're going to have to be more aggressive and take some shots. You usually run screen passes when you think there's going to be a blitz, but because the defense has the lead, they're just sitting back and playing big zones.
Jones wants to throw it. And the ball comes out. What a disastrous play.
Oh my goodness.
Scoops it up and still going. He is stopped short. That's the man they wanted to have the ball, but it'll be 4th down.
The ball security doesn't just apply to running backs and receivers. QB's got to keep 2 hands on the ball as well. They're very lucky after that fumble that the offense jumped on.
On 4th down, trying to find his man. Oh, he dropped it. Just didn't look it all the way in, and they'll turn it
Got to
over.
get a first down.
Desperately wanted to keep the ball, but they did not. They'll keep it on the ground, trying to milk the clock. Nowhere to go on that one. It'll bring up 2nd and 10. Got a little work done on 1st down, now back to the line. Clock stops. We have reached the 2-minute timeout, and this offense just a couple of minutes away from putting one in the win column. High the chains now on 2nd and long. They give it to him again. Makes a man miss. And he's able to find a little bit of running room before they get him down.
And there's nothing more frustrating than when you get late in the game and you know they're running the football and you don't stop it. It's been that kind of day for this defense. They haven't played well. They're going to have to go to the well. They're going to have to figure some things out. Practice this week, I can promise you, will not be a lot of fun with these coaches.
Really nice job.
That game.
3rd down, and they've got it at the 33. The Mountaineers get it
Rambo.
set for 10. And they'll take a knee and watch this clock keep on winding its way toward a victory. So with the late lead, they're ready to just drain the clock in victory formation. With the clock running, this should be the final play.
We know, buddy.
Got
shedding?
consecutive
You shedding?
And in this season, that's what you got to do. You got to put together
What's
good
up, Milo?
on each other, build that
What's up,
momentum,
buddy?
continue to grow as the season goes on.
Yeah, David, it's all about building
All right.
confidence, and it's really important for these players to go out, work hard in
I'm gonna
practice.
go ahead and end this episode here, getting into the after game, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Yeah, we're going pretty good so far.